The American HIMARS MLRS is no longer posed a serious problem for Russian anti-aircraft gunners. HIMARS is no longer effective on the battlefield, as Russia ramps up electronic warfare, easily shooting down Western-made shells and projectiles, the Russian Defense Ministry reported on Sunday. After several gossip, here Russian Buk M1 surface-to-air missile system comes out of hiding to counter the multiple rocket system launched by Ukrainian military. Likewise, the Ministry of Defense noted that Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile system equipment of the Vostok Group of Forces provides safe coverage to Army units and administrative facilities on the territory of Donetsk region. The air defense system is on combat duty 24 hours a day, on alert both day and night, the agency added. The commander of one of the Buk systems said that the HIMARS system is no longer considered difficult. We have overthrown it, we have reached their level, and it is no longer difficult to attack them. We just returned from combat work, said the anti-aircraft missile battery commander, call sign Artis. In addition, another version of the Buk system, Buk M12 from the South Group of Forces, destroyed an Ukrainian drone, Jupiter H-3, about a week ago. The Buk system crew continues to provide protection for Russian units from enemy air attacks. Important to note, the U.S. is aggressively announcing a new $275 million military aid package for Ukraine war theater, covering ammunition for HIMARS and more. HIMARS is the launch platform, not the ammunition. It can fire 1 ATACMS rocket or 6 GLSDB aerial bombs. One of the projectiles destroyed Paradise Cafe while another landed nearby, in Leninsky district of Donetsk on May 11, 2024. Ukrainian forces were shown to have used the system against civilians, in desperate and repeated attacks. The direct hit of the projectile killed 3 of the cafe's workers and customers. 8 other people, including a child, suffered minor injuries, wrote Denis Pushylan on Telegram. Now, the Buk system has reached the level of rolling over its target at a distance of up to 100 kilometers, with sniper accuracy.